The 2023 Renault Austral Mild Hybrid represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of hybrid technology. This advanced vehicle offers a unique blend of efficiency, performance, and cutting-edge tech features that set it apart in the competitive hybrid market. The Austral is a testament to Renault's commitment to innovation and sustainability, with its mild hybrid system designed to reduce emissions and enhance fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the Austral is equipped with a variety of powertrain options. In Europe, the Austral is offered with 5 different powertrains, 2 of which are E-Tech full hybrid options. These powertrains deliver up to 195 horsepower, combined with a multi-mode transmission that offers an impressive 15 combinations. The hybrid system is designed to use electrical power alone up to 80% of the time, making it incredibly efficient, especially in urban environments. The Austral is not just about power and efficiency, it also boasts a range of advanced tech features. The interior is equipped with a massive touchscreen and digital instrument display, powered by Google Maps navigation technology. The vehicle also features a head-up display projected onto the windscreen, providing drivers with essential information without taking their eyes off the road. The Austral also features Renault's new 4-wheel steering system, dubbed 4Control, which turns the rear wheels by up to 5 degrees to improve agility and high-speed stability. The Austral's interior is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The vehicle offers flexible seating, with all 3 back seats on runners, providing ample space for passengers. The boot offers a generous amount of storage space, making the Austral an excellent choice for families or those who require extra cargo capacity. The vehicle's interior design is both modern and functional, with a focus on user-friendly features and high-quality materials. When it comes to safety, the Austral is equipped with a range of features designed to protect its occupants. These include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, surround view cameras, an automated parking assistant, matrix LED headlights, stop-and-go adaptive cruise control, lane centering, front and rear autonomous emergency braking, and lane departure prevention systems. While the Austral is yet to be tested by Euro NCAP, these features demonstrate Renault's commitment to safety. The Austral is not only advanced and safe but also affordable. Renault Australia covers its passenger car range with a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty, offering peace of mind to owners. The hybrid system also reduces running costs by improving fuel efficiency, making the Austral a cost-effective choice for those seeking a hybrid vehicle. The 2023 Renault Austral Mild Hybrid is a testament to Renault's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. With its advanced hybrid system, impressive tech features, comfortable interior, and comprehensive safety features, the Austral is set to make a significant impact on the hybrid market in 2023 and beyond. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.